Hello friends, I am Hamdard and welcome to my channel. So friends, in today's video I will give my room tour. I will show you my room, that how our rooms look like. In last video some of friends asked and want from me to show you my room, that how our rooms look like, and I will give a full explanation about that, and I will show you that which facilities are here in Turkey for international students and their rooms. So keep watching the video, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel. You can follow me on Instagram. My username is Hamdard1 and link is in the description. So let's start it and let me show you my room, and my room number is 104 as you are seeing. So let's start and come. So friends, as you are seeing, my room number is 104 and Oda means room in Turkish. So let's start and let me show you my room. So when you enter, so you will see this kind of place, some normally dormitories. So there are 3 beds in every dormitory that you will find. Sometimes maybe 4 students or 2 students, or sometimes for 1 student there are rooms, but usually in dormitories the 3 students are living in 1 room, and there is 3 cabinets for everyone, and 3 studying desk, 1, 2 and 3. So let me start from this place. Firstly, there is washroom. Sometimes the washrooms are outside of the room, but in this dormitory it's in the room. So I will open and I will show you. So it looks like this. There is one mirror and also wash basin, and there is the shower and also toilet. So this is the main look of the washroom, and this is the main door. And after that there is air conditioner in every room. So in every room you will find air conditioner, and there is one hanger that you can use it for your clothes. When you wash your clothes, you can dry it on this hanger. And in every room you will find this small refrigerator. So in my room, this is my refrigerator, and these are my foods. I'm a little bit foodie and I love to eat a lot of food. So in these days my refrigerator a little bit nuzzle. So this corner is for my trash. So I use that carton as my dustbin. I'm a little bit creative, so I don't want to go outside every time and put my trash there, but I'm using this corner as my dustbin sometimes. And there is my computer. I put my computer and also cables and everything there. And these days I am studying this book, Ali Baba'nın Dünyası, and this is Turkish book, but which means Ali Baba's word in English. And there are my notebooks that I'm using these days. Also some of my books, and this place is for my shampoos, also face wash, toothbrush, soaps, and these are my shoes that are reserved. Sometimes I'm using, sometimes when I'm going outside. And there are some of my documents, and this place is for my shoes that I'm using daily. So I'm putting my shoes there. And you will find these kind of plugs near to every bed for chargers and for your computer charging or something. And this is my bed, my sleeping bed that I'm using. Normally 3 students are living in 1 room, but because of the pandemic and coronavirus, so now in every room you will find just 1 student. So I'm alone, and everyone is living alone in these days. And there is also studying desk, but I'm using it like my food corner, but I'm using this one and that one as my studying desk. Sometimes I'm studying here, sometimes there, and sometimes I'm studying here, maybe some novels and some journal information books. So I'm studying in my bed also. And this is also food corner, green tea, black tea, also some pots. There is also some pots and also foods. And this is very important, you have to know. So these are the coins. So now you will think that why it's important. So when you are living in dormitory, and you have the right to eat the foods like by limit. So in morning we have the right to eat 5 Turkish liras food, and at the evening we have like 11 liras right to eat. So when you are eating more from 11 or 5 liras, then you have to pay. So I'm keeping coins in this bottle, and when I need it, so I'm using it. And this is also in this there is also some foods and masks and some tissue papers. And so this is also a little bit small corner of my room. There is my sport bag, so when I'm going outside for sport or running or something, so I'm using that. And there are my Turkish language course books and notebooks, so I'm keeping these there. And this is also studying. When I'm studying, so I study here. There is the window that I'm seeing outside from there. So this is the outside view. I will open the window and I will show you guys also. So this is the beautiful view of around our dormitory and around my room especially. So this is the beautiful view. Sometimes when you need sun, so I'm opening this window and I'm using it. And there are the cabinets, so every students have one cabinet to put their clothes or their things. There one is there first, and this is the second one, and this is third one. There are numbers for everyone, but I'm using both of them because of no students here, so I can use it. And there is my bag, my school bag that I'm using. There is some clothes in my bag, and also there is clothes. There are my jeans in this shopper, and also some of my clothes there. And in this cabinet, firstly there is the rackets that I'm using it for table tennis. I love table tennis and I can play it very well, so I use it. And there are some of my belts and some of my clothes. Also there you are seeing tripods and the things which are related to my recordings when I'm recording the video. So I'm using tripods and these things. So this is related to the videos that I'm making for you guys. So this is how our room look like. So normally in every room, as I mentioned before, there are 3 students living in every room. And there are for everyone there is cabinet one, and also studying desk. But these days we are living alone, because no students are here, no Turkish students, because of the pandemic. And this is my sleeping bed as I'm using now. So you can charge your mobile or computer from there are plugs. And these shoes are normally for my daily use. And this place I have to show it. This is a small place that you can I'm putting my washing powder and those things that I'm not using, no, like I'm using sometimes, so I put there. So this is a little bit storage for me. And this is how our room look like. So I think until now you are enjoying it, and you got information from this video that how the room in Turkey look like for international students. So when you are coming to Turkey, so maybe you will find more beautiful room from this, or maybe a little bit uh, like this you can find like this. So some of the dormitories are very modern, but this dormitory is like normal. This is not that much old and not that much modern. And before last dormitory which I lived there, that was very modern and that was newly made, so that was very modern. But this dormitory is very beautiful. There's no problem. There is air conditioner, there is refrigerator, and also every facilities that you want you can find it here, and you can live very peacefully. So when you are coming here, don't think about these and that things. The rooms are very comfortable. You will, and if you have very good roommates, so then you will live very peacefully and you will enjoy time living here in Turkey. So friends, this is our room. So friends, this was today's video. I tried to show every part and every corner of my room, that how international students are living in Turkey and which kind of rooms they have, which facilities are here in their rooms. So I tried to show you guys. Hopefully you guys also got information from this video. Normally in every room there are 3 students, maybe 4, 2 or 1 student's rooms are also available in different dormitory, but normally 3 students are living in one room, and for everyone there are one cabinet for every student, also studying desk and air conditioner, refrigerator, and these facilities are here. And outside of the room there are a lot of facilities for us, but maybe in another video I will show all my dormitory and all my hostel places, that which kind of facilities are there outside of the room. So that will be in another video, but hopefully you guys got information from this video. And if you got information and enjoyed it, just like the video and also share it with your friends. And you can follow my Instagram. My username is Hamdard1, and the link is in the description. You can follow from there. And also subscribe the channel, because I'm making these kind of informative videos for you guys about Turkey and about our lifestyle in Turkey, education, and these kind of videos. So keep watching all my videos and see you in another video. Have a good time and goodbye.